First of all, this is a journal, not a diary. Tomorrow is the first day of middle school. Luckily, I'm not alone in this middle school thing. I've got my best friend, Riley.
Here's what you need to know. Watch where you sit on the first day of school. Don't use the bathroom on the second floor. And finally, don't get the cheese touch. Because if you do, you might as well be dead.
Thank you, Roderick, for that wonderful pep talk.
We're out of our league here. Maybe my mom can homeschool me. Hey, Greg! Want to come over and play? Yep, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be in therapy over this. We're in middle school now. Don't you think it's time to start acting our age?
I walk in like, how do you do? I just do a little better with an attitude.
Frankly! Want to see my secret freckle? I'm like permanently scarred from that night.
Look at these little nerds. I'll pass their bedtime.
Busted! The cheese! There's a piece missing!
Disgusting.
Zoe mama! One day I'm gonna be rich and famous. But for now, I'm stuck in middle school, surrounded by morons. If you just stick with me, everything will be fine.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were teenagers. Are you all right? You're all right.